All right, metal hunters, this is Mark Ekman with X Marks the Spot. Today's hack is how to make fiberglass handle for your scoop, like my scoop here, for $9. Okay, so I've got a CJK scoop. Bought the scoop. I really didn't want to pay extra $80 or more for a fiberglass handle. So I thought, hey, if I could find a fiberglass handle, that would do just fine. And I did. And here it is. This is a $9 shovel from Harbor Freight, or discount. It's a discount hardware store in our area. Most discount or hardware stores have shovels like this that you can get for fairly good price. I think I saw Lowe's had one for $10. Home Depot had one. I mean, it's got tempered steel shovel and it's got a fiberglass handle that is just the right size, and it's got everything you need for a great scoop. Even better is it's reinforced on the inside here with a pipe so that it won't crush the fiberglass handle. So just look around, find something that you like, and the tools that you're going to need. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the shovel part off. You're going to need a hacksaw if you got a lot of arm muscle, or even faster, I'm going to use a grinder. Just going to cut it off right there. We'll attach it, and then I'll talk about the rest of the stuff after we're done. So here we go. This is the scoop that I'm going to replace. It's got that old wooden handle. It's heavy. So here's what it looks like. We've got a nice rivet that's going through here. That's the fiberglass. It's hollow, but if you can see there's a metal pipe running through, a galvanized pipe, and that gives it some extra strength. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this part here just on the outside. You'll notice it starts to curve, and I can't get the curve part in, so I'm going to cut it right about here. Cut that out, peel away the shovel part, leaving the galvanized pipe exposed so I can put that part into my scoop. So you can see how the pipe is there. They took some cuts out to bend it, so I'm going to try to use my mallet, see if I can bend it back. All right, we went through. All right, that was on. All right, got a nice hole. Let's fit that too. Let's see if we get this. All right, that's a $9 fiberglass handle, just the right length. Feels good. Rocks even less, nice and sturdy. I might actually try to see if I can put a handle on it using PVC pipe. So stay tuned and see if that works. All right, so I'm actually going to try to see if I can take this PVC pipe and slice it in half and see if that'll fit around my fiberglass handle. So with my current scoop, I actually have a $15 Raptor handle that just I bought. We'll get that. Let's try. Again, what we're trying for here with my older scoop is the $1.43 option, some PVC pipe. This is 1.5 adapter or T with a 3/4 inch out. The idea here is see if that, oh perfect, will fit there. And then the back there. And what I'm going to do is then use some pipe clamps All right, here we go. So there's the 1.5 to 3/4 inch half. There's the bottom half. And I actually got this in the irrigation section too. I don't remember how much it costs. I think it's just a gasket. But I'm going to use that as a rubber gasket to keep it from sliding. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to slice it down because it's bigger than I need. Place it on here, measure it. Looks like I need to take off. Yeah, where's my mark? 21 inches, a little high right there. All right, rubber gaskets are set. Put the bottom one on. Bottom one in place. Slide this on. Oh, so I'm gonna have to open it. Switch to it. All right, there you go. There's your hack. That's a $9. Oh my gosh, that is so much lighter than that wood. $9 carbon fiber or fiberglass. It's not quite as light as carbon fiber, but it is just as strong and almost 1/10 the price. And then I hope that gives you some ideas on how you can make something for yourself. If you like what I'm doing, please hit that like button, maybe share with somebody. These hacks are meant to help you. I enjoy coming up with them. And I'll see you on the next hunt. This is X Marks the Spot. Thanks for coming along.